Next, we're gonna go ahead and prepare every single beverage on the E6 Platinum. We're gonna start with one single espresso. Two espresso. Simply press the espresso button twice. Next, we're going to prepare a single coffee and then two coffees. You always have an opportunity to adjust on the screen for any last minute or on the fly changes. Also, great option for guests. So you can save your settings. This screen will not interfere with your preset settings. So wonderful for entertaining. Next, we're going to go ahead and make a cappuccino with an extra shot. So of course, you can press this button and make a traditional regular cappuccino. If you want to make the extra shot version, hold the gear button down, select extra shot. Now there's a coffee bean illuminated on the cappuccino icon. That means it's going to pull two separate shots of espresso for our cappuccino. If you hold the button down, you'll access the product settings. Here is where you can choose the strength, the volume, as well as the temperature and milk foam. So you can increase or decrease that. You can save it, and it will be prepared that specific way when you press the button. On the E6 machine, there will be a prompt when making milk-based beverages to open the switch. And then to close the switch. We're going to go ahead and make a portion of milk foam. This is great for kiddie drinks, tea lattes, or hot chocolate. Over here we have perfectly micro foam milk froth. You can add in some hot chocolate mix. Give it a stir, and you have a delicious special treat. Next, we're going to prepare a cafe barista. This is delicious. It's a shot of coffee, and then there's hot water that comes out separately. Next, we're going to prepare an Americano. The Americano is going to be similar to the cafe barista with regards to how it's prepared, being a portion of coffee prepared first, followed by a portion of hot water. The Americano coffee to water ratio differs compared to the cafe barista. Next up is going to be the Macchiato. There is a time period where the P.E.P takes place, the pulse extraction process, where the water and the ground coffee are marrying together to extract the most amount of aroma and flavor.